Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hope you all are fine. Today we'll do exercise of unit 10, a successful trade. In unit 10 we have read so far that how did they make a snare to for the seamen. They trapped them and they tried to kill their enemies, and they got successful. They did kill their enemies who were seamen, and they made them prisoners. Some of them were prisoners, and they were about to get their ship back. The captain was about to get his ship back, and he got rid of his all enemies. And now we'll do the exercise of unit 10. Match the beginning of each sentence to the right ending. The seamen decided to return to their ship. When did they decide this? The seamen decided this when they got to the shore. They got near their boat. When they saw that there was no trace of their mates, their fellows were not on the boat, and the boat was empty, and they did not find their fellows. उनको जब मालूम हुआ कि जब वो शोर पे आए और उन्होंने देखा कि उनके जो पहले पार्टनर्स आए थे, उनके पहले पार्टनर्स बोट के पास नहीं थे, then they decided to return to their ship. Second, Crusoe thought of a trick. What trick was that? He wanted to trap his enemies, to bring them back around again. He did not want the seamen to return to the ship. He wanted to trap them, he wanted to catch them, he wanted to make them prisoners or kill them. So he thought of a trick to bring them back around again, to bring them back to the boat, to the woods. क्या ट्रिक थी वो? ट्रिक ये थी कि he sent Friday and a mate of the captain towards the wood, towards the stream, and he asked them to shout as loud as they can so that they can get back to the boat. उसको शाउट करने के लिए बोला फ्राइडे को, ताकि वो वापस आ जाएं. तो ये ट्रिक थी, टू ब्रिंग देम बैक अराउंड अगेन. Number 3, he told Friday and the mate to go to some high ground. उसने फ्राइडे और मेट को ये कहा कि वो किसी हाई प्लेस पे चला जाए और वहाँ से शाउट करे, so that the seamen can hear their shouts and they can go back to their shouts and they can answer their shouts. Number 4, when they were there, Friday and the mate shouted. When they came back toward their boat, they were near their boat when Friday and his mate shouted. They heard their voices and they answered their voices. Number 5, the seamen began to run towards the voices. When Friday and his mate shouted,